नमस्कार मित्रांनो, माय बेस्ट गुरु चॅनलमध्ये आपले मनापासून स्वागत. आम्हाला प्रोत्साहन देण्यासाठी सबस्क्राईब बटनवर क्लिक करून सबस्क्राईब करून आम्हाला मदत करा. म्हणजे आम्ही तुमच्यासाठी घेऊन येऊ जास्तीत जास्त व्हिडिओज. तसेच आमच्या नवीन व्हिडिओचे नोटिफिकेशन मिळण्यासाठी घंटीच्या चित्रावर क्लिक करा.
Hello friends, it's chapter number 16, Reflection of Light. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. 1. The perpendicular to the mirror at the point of incidence is called dash dash dash. Normal. 1. The perpendicular to the mirror at the point of incidence is called normal. 2. The reflection of light from a wooden surface is dash 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 reflection. Irregular. 2. The reflection of light from a wooden surface is irregular reflection. 3. The working of kaleidoscope is based on the properties of dash dash dash. Reflection of light. 3. The working of kaleidoscope is based on the properties of reflection of light. Question number 2. Draw a figure describing the following. The reflecting surfaces of two mirrors make an angle of 90 degrees with each other. If a ray incident of one mirror has an angle of incidence of 30 degrees, draw the ray reflected from the second mirror. What will be its angle of reflection? Answer. Diagram. In figure, ray AB is an incident ray and the incident angle is 30 degrees. Incident angle and the reflected angle are always equal. Therefore, measure of reflected angle TBC is 30 degrees. BT and CT are normals which are perpendicular to the respective mirror PQ and QR. Therefore, angle TBQ is equal to angle QCT is equal to 90 degree. Angle BQC equal to 90 degree into bracket perpendicular mirrors. Therefore, quadrilateral BTCQ is a rectangle. Therefore, angle BTC is equal to 90 degree angle of rectangle. Now, in triangle BTC, measure of angle BCT plus measure of angle TBC plus measure of angle BTC is equal to 180 degree. So, measure of angle BCT plus 30 degree plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Measure of angle BCT is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, angle BCT is an incident angle. Therefore, reflected angle TCD is equal to 60 degree. Question number 3. How will you explain the statement, "We cannot see the objects in a dark room"? Answer. Source of light is very necessary to see the objects. We can see only those objects which reflect light back to our eyes. In the dark, there is no light to reflect from the objects. Thus, we cannot see the objects in a dark. Question number 4. Explain the Difference between regular and irregular reflection of light. Number: regular reflection of light, irregular reflection of light. 1. The reflection of light from a plane and smooth surface is called regular reflection of light. Reflection of light from a rough surface is called irregular reflection of light. 2. The angles of incidence as well as of reflection are the same for all parallel rays falling on the surface. The angles of incidence of parallel rays of incidence are not equal. 3. If the angles of incidence for incident rays are I1, I2, I3 and their angles of reflection are R1, R2, R3 respectively, then I1 equals to I2 equals to I3 equals to R1 equals to R2 equals to R3. The angles of reflection are not equal. I1 not equal to I2 is not equal to I3 and I1 equals to R1 not equals to R2 not equals to R3 . Draw a figure showing the following: A. Incident ray, B. Normal, C. Angle of incidence, D. Angle of reflection, E. Point of incidence, F. Reflected ray. Answer: figure, incident ray, normal, I. Angle of incidence, angle of reflection R. Reflected ray, point O is point of incidence. Question number 6. Study the following incident. Swara and Yash were looking in a water-filled vessel. They could see their images clearly in the still water. At that instant, Yash threw a stone in the water. Now their images were blurred. Swara could not understand the reason for the blurring of the images. Explain the reason for blurring of the images to Swara by answering the following question. 1. Is there a relation between the reflection of light and the blurring of the images? Answer: yes. When the water was still, the surface was smooth. The image formed by reflection. When water was disturbed, the surface became slightly rough. The reflected image formed was not clear image. Images were blurred. Two. Which type of reflection of light can you notice from this? Answer: we can see two types of reflection, regular and irregular reflection. 3 are laws of reflection followed in these types of reflection. Answer: yes, laws of reflection are followed in these types of reflection. Question number 7. Solve the following examples. A. If the angle between the plane mirror and the incident ray is 40 degree, what are the angles of incidence and reflection? Answer: the angle between the plane mirror and the incident ray is 40 degree. So, angle of incidence I equals to 90 minus 40 equals to 50 degree. Angle of incidence and angle of reflection are same. Therefore, the angle of reflection R equals to 50 degree. Question number 7. Solve the following examples. B. If the angle between the mirror and reflected ray is 23 degree, what is the angle of incidence of the incident ray? Answer. Figure: incident ray, normal, reflected ray, angle of incidence I, angle of reflection R, point O. See in figure, the angle between the mirror and reflected ray is 23 degree. The normal is perpendicular to the mirror, therefore angle formed on it is 90 degree. Therefore, 23 degree plus I equals to 90 degree. Therefore, I equals to 90 degree minus 23 degree. Therefore, I equals to 67 degree. Therefore, the measure of angle of incident equals to 67 degree.
आम्हाला प्रोत्साहन देण्यासाठी सबस्क्राईब बटनवर क्लिक करून सबस्क्राईब करून आम्हाला मदत करा, म्हणजे आम्ही तुमच्यासाठी घेऊन येऊ जास्तीत जास्त व्हिडिओज. तसेच आमच्या नवीन व्हिडिओचे नोटिफिकेशन मिळण्यासाठी घंटीच्या चित्रावर क्लिक करा.